Adding your first inventory item. To get started, navigate to the Inventory tab located in the bottom left corner of the screen and click the plus icon to add a new inventory item. Select the appropriate inventory type from the drop-down menu, enter the register ID, choose the applicable state, and then click Submit. Next, enter the required inventory details. Select the appropriate inventory status from the Status drop-down menu. Then, select any additional specifications from the available drop-down options. Once all details have been entered, click Update to save the inventory item. The inventory item will now appear in the available list and will be ready for bookings. Please note that only inventory items with active status will be available for booking. You can quickly switch between available, active, and inactive inventory using the status tabs. Any inventory item that is not marked as active will appear under the Inactive tab. Use the search bar and filter options to quickly locate inventory items. Select an inventory item to update its details and manage additional information as required. Desktop view. In the desktop application, the inventory section provides a more detailed interface for managing inventory. On the left-hand side, you can apply filters to narrow results by inventory type, category, ownership, and expiry records. On the right-hand side, inventory items are displayed in a detailed list showing the unit ID, vehicle image, manufacturer, model, year, series, and expiry information. This view makes it easier to search, filter, and efficiently manage large volumes of inventory from a single screen.